Here we are in section 1.4 with exercises numbers 1 through 15 and their solutions. We'll start out number 1. We're going to simplify using the rules of exponents. Here we have t to the fourth times t to the 0. T anything to the 0, that's just a 1. So this is just t to the fourth. Excellent. Now, here we have exponent to exponent. So that right there makes 6. R times r to the 6th times r to the 7th. We're going to add the exponents. 1 plus 6 plus 7. That's r to the 14th power. Ooh, timesing these guys. This is multiplication straight across. 2 times 3 is going to be 6. A to the 4th times a squared. We're going to add exponents because we're multiplying. And b cubed times b to the negative 7th. So we're going to add the exponents. We get a b to the negative 4. The negative 4 exponent goes down to the bottom. So 6a to the 6th over b to the 4th. Excellent. Number 4. This might get a little tight. Let's put it down here. We have an h to the 7th, f to the negative 3. So negative exponent is going to go down, and negative exponent there is going to go up. So on number 4, we're going to have h to the 4th up on the top with an h to the 7th over f to the 4th and an f to the 3rd that came down. Now these guys are in such a way we can just add them. They're multiplying, so add the exponents. H to the 11th over f to the 7th. Excellent, there's number 4. Number 5, that guy is going to go down, and that guy is going to go up. So we have a q to the 12th over a q to the 8th. And this is now a subtraction, so that's q to the 4th power. Excellent. Number 6, what's going to happen in there? The parentheses aren't really valuable. There's nothing all raised to an exponent here. So we get that this guy will go up to the top. So we have an m to the 5th times an m squared, which is just multiplication. That's addition of exponents. Gives us an m to the 7th power. All right, number 7. Let's move this down. No, we'll have enough room up here. Nope, not quite. Here we have this negative exponent, which moves it down to the bottom. So we get 4 squared. Let's write that there, 4 squared, and g to the 7th squared, and that rule is multiplication, so that's a 14th, times 3, so we'll still have times 3, but the g to the negative 5 goes down to the bottom as a g to the 5th. So we have 16 times 3 on the top, g to the 14th over g to the 5th. And what's the rule for those exponents? With division, it is subtraction, so we get a g to the 9th. Great. Number 8. 8d to the 7th squared. So the squared goes to everything in there. We get an 8 squared to d to the 7th squared. That's multiplication is a 14th. So that gives us 64d to the 14th. All right, number 9. 3x to the negative 4th power. So this is 3 to the negative 4, x to the negative 4, which is going to be 1 over 3 to the 4th, x to the 4th. Again, the negative exponents make it go down to the bottom. There's nothing really left on the top, so that's a 1. And then it's 1 over 3 to the 4th is the number 81, x to the 4th. Good deal. All right, let's clear this off, and we'll start with number 10. Number 10, here we have 2 to the negative 3 over c to the negative 24. That's going to be, that guy goes on the bottom as a 2 cubed, and that guy goes up on the top as c to the 24th, which is going to equal c to the 24th over 2 to the 3rd power is 8. There we go. Number 11. M to the 4th squared is m to the 8th power. N to the negative 3 to the squared to the 2nd power is n to the negative 6. That's multiplication, exponent to exponent. And then this guy moves up to the top. So we get an m to the 8th, n to the 6th. And it's over 1. Nice. All right, number 12. Ooh, everything's to the negative 4. Let's write this guy out. 9 to the negative 4. K to the negative 5 to the negative 4. That's to the positive 20th. J to the 3rd to the negative 4th. That's multiplication of negative 12. over k to the 5th to the negative 4, that's k to the negative 20, and then j squared to the negative 4, that's j to the negative 8 power. All right, let's take care of all the negatives. So 9 to the negative 4 is going to go down. K to the negative 20, that's going to go up. And j to the negative 12 is going to go down. J to the negative 8 is going to go up. Oh, a lot of movement. Let's see what happens here. We get a k to the 20th and another k to the 20th. So that's that one and that one that came up. And then j to the 8th came up. And let me see, that 9 went down to the bottom. And that j went down to the bottom, j to the 12th, and I think that's it. That guy went down, and those two came up. Excellent. So we now have k to the 40th power, j to the 8th over j to the 12th. These will subtract, and the bottom one wins, so we'll have a j to the 4th there, and 9 to the 4th. That's an actual number. Let's plug that in. Let's see what we get here. 9 to the 4th power, that's a big number, 6561. There we go. All right, number 13. 5 to the negative 2 power. So let's write it down here, 13. 5 to the negative 2 power, that's 1 over 5 squared. Moving that down to the bottom, that's 1 over 25. Excellent. All right, so let's try number 14. This is a negative 2 to the negative 4th power. Notice the parentheses around that. So that's going to equal 1 over negative 2 to the 4th power. Again, that negative exponent just puts whatever it is attached to on the bottom. So that's 1 over a positive 16. And the last one is number 15. All right, 2 to the 7th times negative 3 to the negative 3rd power. So this negative exponent moves it on the bottom as a negative 3 to the 3rd power. So 2 to the 7th is 128. Negative 3 to the 3rd power is negative 27. So negative 128 over negative 27. Good.